Here's how to get Diancie for free in Pokémon GO. Pokémon GO seldom gives away legendary or mythical Pokémons, so it's always exciting when Niantic reveals that a mythical like Diancie will be accessible to catch. Even better, Diancie will be free for all Pokémon GO users from May 2024. Mythical Pokémons can be incredibly difficult to come by. Every Pokémon generation has had one since the debut of Mew in Pokémon Red and Green, and if users miss their opportunity, they might be waiting a long time. Last year, Pokémon GO allowed users to capture Diancie, one of the rarest mythical Pokémons. The Pokémon was only available to individuals who attended Pokémon GO Fest 2023 or bought a ticket from the in-game shop. Here's how to claim free Diancie research. Diancie will be accessible for free to all gamers who completed the special research from May 1st. To receive the free Diancie special research, participants must check into Pokémon GO after May 1st. This will immediately start the dialogue that gives all players access to the special research questline. Does Diancie's special research expire? Once claimed, the research will not expire. Users can accomplish the special research activities at their own pace, as long as there are no time-sensitive missions. However, users must log in within a certain time frame or miss out on the opportunity to obtain exclusive research. It's unknown for how long the window is, but the event marking the research's unveiling will go until May 3rd. Players will most likely be able to claim the research after May 3rd, but you should log in on May 1st just in case. Free Diancie special research tasks. Users won't know about the Diancie special research missions until they're available in Pokémon GO. This section will detail each one, along with its respective prices. In addition, none of the activities takes more than a few days to complete. Users should be able to learn more about them soon after they're issued.